Peace and blessings. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Elena, and I'm back with another Temu haul. So yeah, I've been ordering some stuff off Temu. I have been ordering household products as well as crafting products, and yeah, I did go ahead and order some more stuff from Temu. So I just kind of wanted to pop in and share this with you guys today. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do resin work over here. I'm also just a crafter of many things, and so I'm also a wax melt maker. I actually have a website for my wax melts. I plan on putting some of my resin work on the website as well. I just kind of got that launched last year, like fall of last year, so I haven't really put as much stuff up there as I would like, but all of the wax melts that I currently make are up there now. So if you're interested in smell good stuff, definitely check it out. Link is in the description box below. Otherwise, I do most of my work here on YouTube, and then I also do t-shirts and stuff as well, and tumblers. So you can find some of my work over on Instagram. Again, the link is down in the description box below. But let's get into what you are here for, which is this mini Temu haul. All right. So of course I got some more silicone molds, and I wanted to get the smaller version of the pyramid. If you watched my previous Temu haul, you saw that I got the bigger pyramid. I didn't get the biggest size that they have, but I got the second to the biggest size. So this is the mini one. I want to go ahead and try my luck with this first to see how it comes out, because you know the big ones are a lot of resin. It takes a lot of resin to fill those really big ones. So I figure I start off with the smaller one and we'll see how that goes. So excited about that. I'm gonna throw the household items in with this stuff, you guys, just because it's in the bag. I got these two drain, like they're hair catchers for the shower. So I got one for, you know, me and my sons for the bathroom, because we all have natural hair, and hair tends to get clogged in the drain. So I figured this would be a really good buy, you know, to kind of prevent that. So we got those. Let's see, next I have this here, and I've bought two of these before. This is the Ziploc bag holder. So if you do freezer meals, you're probably familiar with this, but I got this one from my mom because I did get some before, like I said, and it just holds the Ziploc bags in place while you put the food in. So these things would just stand up. You can adjust this part right here to as tall or short as you want it, and then it kind of holds the baggie in this little clip piece right here. So thought that would be a good buy for my mom. Plus she had ordered off Temu and forgot to order this when she made her order, so I figured I'd go ahead and pick it up for her. So it's for you, Mom. Okay, you guys, and I know I mentioned t-shirts earlier, and so I wanted to be just a little more professional with the way I deliver them. And so they have these plastic bags on Temu for, you know, you put the finished shirt in the bag and then seal the bag, you know, like how you would find in the store. And they sometimes have them on the shelves, and they're just sealed in a plastic bag just to keep them from, you know, getting things on it, or just the presentation alone. So yeah, I really wanted to do this because I have one customer that constantly buys shirts from me, and I'm always just handing her like a pile of shirts. And like I say, I just feel like, you know, I could be a little bit more professional with it and give her the bags, you know, in a nice bag give her the shirts in a nice bag. And then I want to put like a little sticker label on it that says the size, you know, and then also it's a good way for me to store stuff. So when I, before going to, let's say, an event or something like that, if I make up a few t-shirts, I can have them, you know, in this plastic. They won't get messed up, and they're easy to store, and, you know, just easy to kind of pull out, because it will have the size and everything on it, so I'll know exactly what I'm giving a customer, like if I'm at a craft fair or something like that. So, and then they were cheap. They were cheaper than Amazon, so that was another reason I decided to get them. These are the, I know this is upside down, but this is 11 by 14 inches, and there's 50 pieces in here. So I will probably definitely buy another few packs of these just to kind of keep on hand, because like I say, I do the t-shirts, I do hoodies and other, you know, baby accessories and stuff like that, and it's just nice to be able to present the customer the product, you know, sealed and nice. So that's that. And then I think the rest are molds, if I'm not mistaken. I think so. This here are the pen molds. I figured I'd give it a try. Give these pen molds a try. I've been seeing this going around lately, the pens, the epoxy pens. So I'm gonna give it a try and see what's what with it. Does it come with, I don't know, I thought it came with the actual pens, but I guess not. The ink, you know, but it did not come with that. This is not a mold, but I got this for my epoxy. This is the it's like a cappuccino frother type of thing, but they were marketing it as an epoxy mixer. So I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. Let me open it, see what it looks like. Oh yeah, it's just your basic frother, nothing special. So yeah, we'll try that out. See if I get less bubbles. And then I have, oh, this is not a mold either, but these are some stickers, and they basically say free gift. I don't know if y'all can see that. It says free gift on them. And sometimes I will throw in free gifts for my customers when they order stuff, and I just want to be able to like put a sticker on it so that they know it's actually a free gift and like it wasn't a mistake or anything like that. So, and that was pretty cheap too. And I'm gonna try to put the prices on the screen because I don't have it in front of me, like I don't have my receipt or anything in front of me. So as when I go back to edit, I will put the prices on the screen. Okay. And then next up, I think I have, the rest is just a bunch of shaker molds. I don't really have many shaker molds. I was trying to start the collection, you know, before I had left on my hiatus. But now that I'm back into the resin world, I figured I'd get some more shaker molds. And so this one here, I don't even remember what this one here is. Does it say? This is supposed to be a planet. This is a planet mold. I've got the heart. I have the cat face. The perfume bottle. Super cute. I've got the porcupine or a hedgehog, whatever he is. I've got the star, and I've got the ice, the popsicle. So that is it. That is everything from my latest Temu haul, you guys. I have a link that I can give you guys to get 30% off of your first order with Temu if you have not shopped there before. I'll definitely leave it in the description box below if you're interested in shopping Temu for any of your craft supplies or home supplies or anything like that. Yeah, feel free to click the link below. I am an affiliate with Temu, so you know, I will get a little bit of change if you decide to order, but at no extra cost to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed my little mini Temu haul. I'm sure I'll have another one in the future sometime soon. I cannot stay off of that site, and the prices for these molds are just absolutely ridiculous as compared to Amazon or any other site for that matter, especially when they go on sale. You know, they have their flash sales, or they just have their extra percentage off sales, and then they give you coupons and stuff, so you can't beat it. I mean, if you're looking for inexpensive craft supplies, definitely Temu is the plug. So definitely check out the description box below for the link, and I'm sure you'll find something on there that you'll like. This is not a sponsored video, by the way, you guys. I just kind of wanted to share my latest haul with you guys. So if you want to see any of my other Temu hauls, please check them out. They're here on the channel. I also have one on my main channel where I got some like clothing and footwear. I want to say shoes, but footwear, and some other household products as well. Link to my other channel is also in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. And with all that said, I'm gonna go, you guys. Thanks so much for being here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting, and happy crafting. I don't want to say just happy resin making, but happy crafting. And yeah, sending love, peace, and light. Don't forget to go out there, create something new, and trust your dopeness. See you later, guys.